If you're interested in knowing how I made these beautiful turmeric soap bars, keep watching. To start off, you need turmeric, a soap base, a silicone mold, and coffee. So the first step is to get your soap base. I bought this one off of Amazon. It comes with 2 blocks, but I already used one in another batch. So this is my second. Now grab a knife and cut your soap base into small pieces. The smaller you cut them, the faster your soap base will melt. Now that you're done cutting, you're gonna take your soap pieces and put them into a pot. Then you're gonna put them into a double boiler and let it melt. When it's melted, it should look a little something like this. Next, grab your turmeric. I'm using about 1 tablespoon for this mix. Turmeric tends to clump up, so you're gonna wanna mix until all of the clumps are gone. As you continue to mix, your soap will turn into a beautiful golden color. This next step is totally optional. I have peppermint essential oil and I'm adding that to my mix. I just really love the smell of peppermint oil. Now grab your silicone mold and pour in your mix. You're going to want to pour as evenly as possible. This mix makes about 6 bars. I left the last 2 empty because I want to try something new. I'm going to use these coffee grounds to make an exfoliating soap. I usually use coffee as a natural exfoliator in the mornings, so I thought, why not add it to my soap? Maybe I'll save some time on my morning routine. So now I'm mixing in the coffee into the soap mix and making sure I get out all the clumps. So now I'm pouring in the remainder of the mix, and I'm hoping that this turns out as good as I have it in my mind. We're almost done. Now let it sit for about 30 minutes or until it's hardened. It's been a little bit over 30 minutes, and now I think my soap is ready. So this is the coffee exfoliating bar. And all the coffee grounds sunk to the bottom. Oh no. I'm still hopeful that it'll be a great exfoliator. Now I'm removing the rest of the bars, and they turned out pretty nicely. They're a nice shape and a nice color, nice and shiny. So that's great. So this is the end product, and I'm really happy with how they turned out. They're nice and firm, and as you can see, they have a beautiful golden color. So this one didn't turn out as planned, but I'm going to try it out to see if it exfoliates my skin. As you can see, it soaks up really nicely. Now let's see how it does on my skin. I've been using turmeric soap for over a year now, and I just love what it does for my face. I used to break out all the time, but now I just get the occasional pimple. So I can actually feel the coffee grounds, and it's gently exfoliating my skin. So I think this is good. It didn't look how I thought it would look like, but it's definitely doing the job. So I'm done cleansing my face. Can you see how bright my skin is? I am so in love with turmeric. It's just so nice. My skin feels really soft and smooth, and I haven't even put on a moisturizer yet. So yeah, I'm feeling myself a little bit. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe.